everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Gomora from the 20th to the 25th of December 2021 on Monday. Zodwa admits she has recurring nightmares of Doni. Tati regret the boundaries she crossed with Pumlani on Tuesday. Bongani suggests Zodwa find the grave so that she can find peace. Pumlani catches Melusi comforting Tati on Wednesday. Zodwa demands that Mazet comes back home. Pumlani orders for Melusi to be killed on Thursday. Mam Sontos viciously warns Ntokozo about hurting Mazeti. Pumlani arranges his fatal plan for Melusi on Friday. Bongani tells Pumlani that Melusi has been attacked. Pumlani gets into Sontos' good books. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.